Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azhari Maruf. My nickname Azan. I'm from Payakumbuh. Okay, I will explain how to write electrical diagram. If you notice up here, say try and ask where draw tag is and traverse. Don't wear it travel down until it gets open at the front. Flower Motorola you will see tag which is open. So it stops and goes down through here the electromagnet and stop. Because there is not ground, the remember it will stop and open and ground usually start and the bottom of the pack and travel up is how they usually draw in again. It will stop at an open air to notice the code is very important. Those that leave boxer. We have two of the in this diagram and button is box is meant it's control the fish but air more pins. They are so for example of this is diagram of the from blower motor but has F control. Could also control the real blower motor but the only this is diagram is blowing is the front blower motor so please. In Lexbox means the more it is internet power model and the more to the AC. Heater control the is listed in this diagram. The sys of that is the solid link box and we have two of sort the one in the from blower motor relay and the other. One is the blower motor resistor. Those are solid line means that they are computer. They control the phase of all the pair. Or you don't have to wonder is where so making more. No, there are resistor raise and hair us up. So of the power and they change the amount of current is going to flow. Course current flowing is a motor man how fast it is. Flow one more is to next here with good in is first next internal and increment power module so it may or may not be surface but it here is logged so let's see how is circuit work piece of what the pupil of this diagram to make the blower motor run so take the problem you have and take why your trace is the diagram unique law is just what to legs a major component is for blower motor we got all power coming from the top is what is from blower motor relay and the power module blower motor resistor VAC control in AC heater control is main computer. You're something to remember about a diagram and what resistor now the main key of next working and the smith are in the unison position. There is a relay where is expressment or that in submitting its S diagram. It might be not that is the on position that it will be specially not forward. Don't see it. Especially not just remember the ardon are rest nothing on the draw. Is battery is how is constrained through to blower motor relay and you can see it stop and not how the ground is the same y and star and bottom of the pack in driver and stop at one so it in a wide ratio diagram fixed component at rest in other words the power to only open and the gram to the open to is here you will test everything less to the from flower motor to the on position for flower speed the hit position LC number 5 in the hectare control is listed. Here so that here we're going to rec air with control number 5 when you not the HFC control is do that is box in sin. The control is box is that. What is specially means a control device? This means is that control switch is also a routing technical deal of ground is to relay control in the blower speed they are begin at same. No is from so is security give ground to the control module next at the from control module is power from the electromagnet but is sitting the looking for I take was party on so it send close the switch on the from flower motor relay so have sang from red to orange and red down talk to the directory through the blower motor resistor and they says the at the front. Blow motor and the front blower motor begin and here we are looking for position of a fifth fact where rotten with command tightly and ground. So hand program there is yellow and give a straight ground path to the motor as L known as position fact is unpresent the not resistor in the so it going to have it maximum power and gain motor going to run high hit speed. So from me hopefully what is explained is useful for all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.